Good morning, YouTube. It's currently 8:12 in the morning, and we're on our way to Next Level Detailing in Fort Myers to get the front end PPF. We'll catch up with you guys when we get there. All right, we just pulled up. Next Level Detailing.
Would it hurt to just give it a quick, like, not go crazy with it, but just a quick polish, just to clear it up a little bit?
Cool. You could do that with like some wax or something?
So just like a polisher.
Oh, polisher.
Compound.
Gotcha.
Just just clean it up a little bit after we wash it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be pretty
cool.
Yeah, we'll just need. If you want to just plan on picking it up tomorrow morning, because we'll put the film on today.
Okay.
It's just a good idea to, it's kind of like tint. So like if you get a little bit of moisture under it, the difference between this and tint is it's not a good idea to bring it directly out in the sun right away.
Yeah, right away, yeah.
So that's why we like to let it sit overnight inside.
Fine. That's cool. You guys do tint here too?
We have somebody come in and do it.
Oh, okay. Do you think you can get it done today or no?
What do you need done?
The front windows. It came tinted from the dealer, the rears, but the fronts, it lets a lot of heat in.
What percentage do you want? Just legal?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
Just like
we'll keep it legal.
Usually legal.
What is it, like 30? Yeah, 35. Okay.
Which it looks like your rears are pretty much the same.
Yeah, I probably just want to match the rears.
Yeah.
Because I know people go darker, but I know you're pushing, getting pulled over and whatnot.
Yeah. I mean.
If not, it's all good.
What I can do is I can give you a call and let you know if you can do it today.
Alright, we officially dropped the car off at Next Level Detailing. We'll be back for it tomorrow. I also asked Mike, the owner, to tint my front windows to just the legal limit right now, 35%. And if I want to go darker eventually, I'll do that later on. So we're going to get into an Uber now, and we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm waiting for my Uber right now, and we're going to go pick up the car. And look what Mike, the owner, brought out. His Secure Orange F80. Clean as fuck. Here at Next Level Detailing, this is Mike, the owner. And this is his beautiful 16 Secure Orange M3. Could you tell us about your E92 that you had before this?
It was lowered on bags, wheels, water-cooled industry wheels. This one's completely stock.
Completely stock.
Yep.
But it's funny because I walked in yesterday to drop off my car and he says, yo, I have the same exact car as you. So I thought that was funny.
Yeah.
How long have you been at Next Level Detailing, and how long have you been doing this type of work?
10 years.
10 years,
10
wow.
years in Fort Myers.
And then this location?
This location we've been here for 3 years.
Awesome. Check it out, boys.
Water evaporates and the film will suck down.
Okay. Cool.
So you do have a lot of, like you see like
the
stuff.
small ones, yeah.
This basically is like a chip,
yeah.
And then there's moisture like inside the chip. So as soon as the moisture releases,
yeah,
it won't be quite as noticeable.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I noticed the second after I called you when I went to come out and look at the bumper. I was like, there's some imperfections, obviously, but what do you expect? With my F30, I had hella rock chips on it. I got it painted again. and then I got more rock chips. I didn't get a PPF, which was my issue. And then I got the Dr. Color chip, and that worked. But the same thing, I was so scared to touch the front bumper even with like a hose or wash mitt. I laid it off.
Yeah, just use a microfiber wash mitt when you wash the bumper, and just don't use like dryer sheets or anything like that.
Yeah,
like people do.
I've seen that. All right, cool, man. Thanks. All right, I'm here to pick up the car. On top of the front end getting PPF, we also tinted all of the windows, 35% all around. It looks so sleek, so good. Yeah.
Material is so much more expensive.
Yeah, and you could just print it in-house.
Yeah, I just print it.
Nice. Fire. So I'm guessing your E92 was manual too?
No.
Oh,
it was
It was DCT?
Yeah.
Nice.
You do your maintenance washing and then use like a fallout remover and like a spray sealant or something like that.
Because right now I'll do like a weekly wash, and then I want to say like twice a month I'll do like the Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax, and that works. It's been working. And then I'll finish every wash off with like a spray wax over everything. But other than that, that's all I do.
Yeah.
I don't know if you recommend anything else.
I mean, other than that, you would really get into like, polishing and stuff like that.
Yeah.
That's a little bit more involved. You have to buy the machines and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But if you ever wanted to buy the machines, they're definitely cool to have.
Yeah.
To do it yourself and stuff like that. Outside's even crazier.
How much is this boat, you think?
This is about $650.
Jesus. And they said this one's even crazier? With the quad 275s?
350.
Oh, 350s? Where you can paint the whole car?
Yeah, but it's like it's a like plastic bit, but you can polish it and sand it.
Oh wow.
Orange. It's originally black.
Oh wow.
You see all the orange over
Oh
there.
yeah, I see it right there.
So it got done in Orlando.
Okay.
And basically he didn't really like it.
You took it off, and now
we're taking it off.
Yeah.
We have to disassemble the entire car, like bumpers and everything, to get all the cracks. And then we're doing film on about 50% of the car.
Wow. This is a V8 or a V10? 10. Jeez. All right, to recap, we got a front end PPF. We got the windows tinted, 35% all around. Looks hella good. And here we have Mike's F80. I think it's ironic that he had an M3 as well. Yo, so we just left Next Level Detailing. Thank you to Mike for talking to us, showing around his shop. Super chill dude. I actually didn't know that he had an E92 that was bagged until today when he told me. And he also brought out his F80 in Secure Orange, which was a 2016 model, but it's super clean. It's stock, but he really loves it, he says. Like I said before, the PPF job that he did on the front end looks flawless. I don't see any bubbles or cracking in it. I'm really happy with the work. And he also tinted the front windshield and the windows. I think 30% or 32% after he measured it. And that's gonna keep this Florida heat from coming in, and it's also gonna look a lot sleeker from the outside, especially in pictures. So now that this is done, we have some peace of mind on the front end, and we can get into the good stuff, which is suspension. And I gave in and ordered a spoiler and a front lip that should be here by the end of this week. I was supposed to wait until maybe May or so, but I couldn't stand looking at the car without these two things on it, so those things will be coming in future vlogs, so stay tuned.